Rewrite as directed. Instead of guns, use walkie-talkies. No. Bad, Steven Spielberg. Bad. Natural log of x squared y all over z. So, starting with the quotient rule, we'll have the natural log of x squared y minus the natural log of z. That's your quotient rule. What does the product rule say next? Minus natural log z. And then the power rule, yep, just says bring the 2 in front. Now, I have no problem, because after a while, you might get very comfortable with these things. And if you just go from here to here in one step, that's fine. I'm fine with that. But please notice, if they gave us our final answer here, 2 natural log of x plus natural log of y minus natural log of z, and said write it as one logarithm, you'd be back where we started with, because you would just do the properties in reverse. Hey, look at that. Write as one logarithm. So if you would, try this one on your own very carefully. Is that you? I thought there was something in the wall. That's okay. Here's a hint. I pulled out the minus sign, the -1 from the latter 2 terms. It may make the algebra a little bit easier. That's your power rule. And then working in those parentheses, what rule would I use next? Product rule. And now what rule would I do last if we're subtracting the logs? Quotient rule. So your final answer should be the log of x cubed over y to the 4th, z to the 5th. The reason the hint was there and the warning was that if you did it straight up, you'd have fractions in your fractions. Nothing wrong, but you try to want to avoid complex fractions for these.